Welcome to the subject Pharmaceutics. Pharmaceutics is one of the core subject in pharmacy. Before we are starting the actual topic, let us first understand the syllabus for B.Pharm semester 1. So you will have a clear idea of what we are going to learn throughout this course. Before we are getting into the syllabus, first we need to understand what is pharmaceutics. A drug alone cannot be given directly to the patient. It must be prepared properly. So we make it into tablets, capsules, syrups or creams. This process is called pharmaceutics. Pharmaceutics is the science and art of designing, preparing, formulating and evaluating the drug dosage form. Our pharmaceutics syllabus is divided into 5 units. In Unit 1, teaches the basic things every pharmacist must know. First, history of pharmacy. We learn how pharmacy started and how it became a profession. Next, pharmacopoeia. These are the official books that gives rules and standards for medicine. Next, we will learn what are the dosage forms available. Next, how to handle the prescription, and lastly, posology. We learn how to calculate the correct dose of medicine, especially for children. In Unit 2, you will learn about the calculations. In pharmacy, accuracy is very important. Even a small mistake can harm the patient. So, we will learn all calculation. Second, we will learn about powders. We study different types of powders and how to prepare them properly. And lastly, you will learn about liquid dosage form. We all learn what ingredients are added to make a liquid medicines stable and tasty. The Unit 3 deals with liquid dosage forms. We learn to prepare syrups, suspension and emulsions, etc., and how to keep them stable and safe for patients. In Unit 4, you will learn about suppositories. Suppositories are solid medicine inserted into rectum or vagina. Next, you will learn about incompatibilities. In incompatibilities, you will learn about some drugs should not be mixed because they react physically or chemically. In Unit 5, you will learn about the semisolid dosage form. This unit is about the medicines applied on the skin, like ointment, creams, gels, and paste. We learn how to prepare them, what ingredients are added, how the drug enters the skin, and lastly, you will learn about how to check their quality. By the end of this subject, you should not just know but also apply these concepts in labs, exams, and real pharmacy practice. Thank you.